Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, what was the last module we saw yesterday? Which one? Circle counter. So, last module was circle counter. So, let us click on this enable visual builder. I'm going to add a new row. So, we all know what is accordion. Accordion is a frequently asked questions. Audio, if you want to add any audio in your website or web page, you can use this audio. Bar counter, five, a review. Yes, how many reviews people have given for your business that can be added as a bar counter. And the next one, what we have, it's a blog. If you want to add your blog in any of your web page, you can use this blog module. And next is blurb. Blurb means a image with a title and description. So usually you can use your product image and you can name the product and two line about the same. And next is button. Button is like when people click on the button, it should take you to some place like shop now, know more, view more. Like this, you can give the button, and when people click on that button, some action should take place. They have to go to some other page or some other action. Like when people click on call us, they should be able to call the business people. So like this, you have this buttons. Next, we saw what is call to action. That is a different separate section is added there. So you can add the Christmas sale or New Year sale or any new launch or summer sale, anything. And when people click on that know more or view more option button only, they will be directed to a particular page called that sale page. So this one is a circle counter, which means what is circle counter? Yes, inside a circle
Happy.
you will be able to see the percentage or else the number of happy customers. Not only happy customers, you can list the how many project you have worked. For example, 50 plus project. If you are into real estate business, you can mention it as 50 plus projects. Okay. So now we will be seeing the next module code. So usually what is code? General, on general.
Background coding,
What, Pooja?
ma'am, or anything, any web pages will be in the form of code, right? Is that coding?
Okay. Usually it is a HTML code. Okay. So we are not building our website using HTML code. But still, if you want to add any coding in between and design your website, if you are good at coding, nowadays you don't need to know coding. You can use ChatGPT and any other AI tool to generate the coding for the thing which you are looking for. For example, I want to generate a code for the contact form. We will be seeing what is contact form in the next module. So when you want to create it, you can just give the command to the
Chat.
this one, ChatGPT. Grok. So Grok is the one which has the preview thing. I will explain you what is that. So you can add the code here, and then the whatever the thing you're looking for will be added here. First we will see the very first coding is location. How to add the location of your business here using the look code. So let me go to Inspyr. Can you find map here? So click on this map. So this is this is our institute. So click on this hamburger menu. Yesterday we have worked on this. We have added the location link yesterday. When people click on reach out button, they will be directed to the location directly. So here what you're going to do, same thing. Click on the hamburger menu and click on share or embed a map. This is embed. First thing, we have copied the link. So this is you're going to embed the map. It is asking you to copy the HTML code. Previously it was a link. See, this is a link. Embed a map means it is a HTML code. Copy the code, copy HTML code, go back to your website and paste it inside that black color box. What happens? Yes, the location will be added in your page. So this you can use it in your contact us page. So people can click on this direction and they can direct to your location. So this is how this coding works for the location. First thing, we are going to see three different things in the coding. First thing, we have added the location. Second, we are going to add again coding. I'm going to add coding again. This time we are going to embed a video here. So usually when you want to add a video here, what you will do? If you want to add your YouTube video here, what you will do?
Upload the file.
Upload the file. So you will go to media and upload the file and you will be adding the video here. So this is what you will do. So now what you are going to do is, what I'm going to do is go to YouTube. So you can use your own video. So what is the benefit of coding is, so when you upload the video from your desktop, what happens? When you upload the video from your desktop, what happens in your website?
It will be downloaded and then
Storage. So more space is required to upload a video. It will be more than 10 MB, 20 MB, 30 MB, or even might go up to 50 or 60 MB. So to avoid that, you can make this coding. So what is the benefit of coding is it makes your website load faster because the coding are very lighter. Maybe 10 line or 10 yeah 10 line coding will be there. So it will be very lighter. So for example, let me add this video. Let me pick this video. Listen. So first we are going to click on the share button. So below the video, any video you can pick. I would say suggest you to use it from your own video which you are uploading in your YouTube channel. So click on this share. Can you find the very first option embed? Click on that embed. So this is the coding for this complete video. Okay. Now scroll down, copy it. I have copied the code. Go back to your coding and paste it inside this black color box. See, very lighter. I'll be able to see this video. Now it is not there. Let me save it. Here you may not be able to see it, but it will be shown in your incognito window. See the video is visible. Okay. So this is how people can play the video here. And watch it. Clear? So this is the second thing how you can use it or you use this coding for. First is for adding the map, second is for adding the video. Third thing is, let me add the code again. So this time we are going to generate any code using Grok. So even ChatGPT can generate the coding for you. But what is the benefit of using Grok is, let me explain you. Forgot the name. So let me select this and click on this preview option on the top. See, can you find the preview here? So this feature is not available in ChatGPT. Yes, here you can see the live preview. If you're okay with this, then you can copy and paste it in your website. If you want to do any changes, you can change it. For example, I'm okay with this, copy, go back to this, paste it here.
Ma'am, can you just show the prompt which you gave for the grok?
What, Puja?
Ma'am, you gave a prompt for the grok, right? Can you
Just I
just
typed
show?
it like scrolling. So what you want? I typed like scrolling text from left to right. See, you can give whatever you want. Like
But I
gen-
just wanted to know how you gave the hello world. Like you have
see,
used
I'm
inverted
typing it again.
content.
So this was the prompt I'll be sharing in the chat. So what is in your mind? Just type it. Okay. So let me generate a code for blinking. I want it to be blinking text in multicolor. Show. So I have typed the prompt. So generate a code for blinking text in multicolor. So what the text is? Inspire digital marketing. So let me see the preview. See. So where you can use it in your home page at the top, you want to give any attractive things. You don't find the module there in WordPress. Just come here, generate the code, and add it over there. Is this useful?
Yes, ma'am.
The color customization, what how you want it to be, everything should be given in the detail. So it will generate accordingly. So now You can even move the modules. So you want it to be move this one, you can click on this plus icon and move it somewhere else where you want. Okay, so let me add one more row. So after code, we have comments. So what is comments is when people comment on your blog, people will be able to comment on your blog. When you receive any blog, it will be added to your backend. Okay, so let me explain this first. See, we have comments here next to pages. So when you click on this comments, you will be able to see receive the comments here. So like it is a good one or a bad one. People will give both negative and positive feedback. So when you approve only, this will be able to see in your see into yes. People can read the comment. So first it will come to you. It will notify you one comment has received or two. You have to come and read the comment. If it is good, approve it. So here you it is asking me to unapprove. Approve means it will be added to your blog. Every people can read the comment. If you don't want it, don't approve it. It will not be added. And here, if you want to quick edit option is also available here. It is an added advantage, which means when people are giving review on your Google business profile, you will not be able to change it, edit it, or delete it. Nothing can be done. That is Google business profile. When you go to Google, you will be able to find the profile of the people, right? They will be given. Yesterday I showed you 4.8 star for Inspire. If some people are giving any negative feedback there, I cannot able to delete it or edit it. Okay, so but here you can edit it, which means if they are giving any negative review, you can just make it as a positive one and publish it in your website. This is possible in WordPress. Or else you can delete it or make it as a spam. So this comments, if you want to show it in your front end, that is what the option here. See, hello world, this is my title, blog title, this is written by myself. So here you will, on the right side, can you see this recent comments? Here you people will be able to read the comment. Your, for example, if Impa is giving any review for my blog, it will be added here. So do you want to showcase that comments? Then you can use this module comments. For now, I don't have any comment, so I will not be able to add it here. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next to that, we have contact form. What is contact form? You would have seen in Inspire website in the home page. Have you ever seen this one? This is contact form. Call for a free demo. They have given the number. And download free brochure. If you want to download the free brochure, then you have to fill the name, phone number, and everything. Here, this form has to be filled, and you can download the brochure for free. Okay, so how you people can give is for this is related to our business. So if you want the lead, this we call it as lead, which means when Impa want to download the brochure, she will come to my website. She will see all the things in my pages, and she want to see the brochure. In brochure, what all the things we print, what is the module we provide, what all the things or projects or whatever the thing is will be printed in the brochure. She wants the brochure. For that, what she will do, Impa will add her name, email ID, phone number, and she will click on this course and what course she is looking for. She is looking for digital marketing or Android app development. And then she will download the brochure. That's all from her end. What happened to us? We will receive the data of Impa. Okay. So what we will do, we have a salesperson, we have the people. We will ask them to call Impa and convert her because she is interested in digital marketing. That is why she have came to our website and she have checked everything and she have even downloaded the brochure. Okay, so this form we call it as lead form or contact form. So how this will be beneficial for you? So here you can give the title as get 15% off, 10% off, any offer you can give and ask people to fill the form. They will fill the form, you will get the data, you can call and tell them or convert them. Clear? So this will not be the fake lead because people who are interested only will fill the form. Nobody, so for just for entertainment, they will not fill it. So this one is called as contact form. We are going to create a contact form for our business. How to do it? Just go here. So I have selected contact form, right? You have the settings here. Click on the setting. First thing is name. See, by default, they have added name, email, message. So name, phone number, and email ID. Email ID means you can send email marketing messages. Marketing campaigns can be sent. Email campaigns. So you can ask the name. So don't even, and one more thing, don't ask too much of questions. Do you have patience to fill it? No, definitely no. People are nowadays very lazy. So when people are, so for example, if you want to log into your tool, what they will ask your email ID and password. Bottom they will give or sign up with Google. What you people will do? We will click on that. We all will click on that sign up with Google option alone. We are very lazy to fill the email ID and password. So if you add more than three or five questions, people will not answer. They will close your website. So, how it should be, just ask for the name, phone number. If necessary, ask their email ID. If you're going to send the email marketing messages, ask the mail ID. So, this field ID and title should be the same. See, name, whatever you type in the field ID, in title also you should type the same. I want the name. So, field option, listen carefully. First is I'm asking the name. What is the field option here is click on this type. Input field, email field, we have a lot of things, right? Input field means people have to type the answer there, no other go. Input, for example, I want Impa name. Name Impa has to type, I cannot give option to her, correct? So that is the input field. Email field means you can add it for the email, which means if you select this, people are, if they are typing just impa, it will not accept, it will show it is an error. It should be in this format, at the rate should be there, dot should be there, otherwise it will not take the email id. It is beneficial, right? So this one is text area. If you want good feedback from them or what product you're looking for, if you ask any questions, then you can select this text area, which means a large space will be given to type the answer. That is text area. Okay, check boxes, radio buttons, select drop down, which means you can give some options to them. For example, check boxes mean they can select inside the box, a small box should be there, they can select it. For that and all you have to give the options. For example, in Inspyr website we have used the drop down, the last option drop down. Which courses are you looking for? We have only two courses, one is digital marketing, one is Android development. Okay, so we have given the option, people can select any one. And because they are like, what course are they looking for? They cannot type their digital marketing. For that, to make it easier, we have given the drop down. So, which location? Are you from Bangalore, Chennai, or any Hyderabad? You want to give any option, three options? You can give it. Which product you are looking for? Looking for menswear, women's wear, or kids wear? Only three options are available. So, like this, you can give the options. Which one? This Dropbox checkbox and all. It's not mandatory. If you want, you can use it. Yeah, we can only just give name, yeah. So that is more than enough. For example, name is there. For email, click on this email ID. Email, this one should be the same. So remove this email address. So here you can give the email. For email, what is the field option? It is email field.
Right.
Required field or not, which means If you turn off that, the option will be there. If they are not filling the email ID, they can click on
Then
submit or download option. It is not a required one. When you're filling the form, you would have been seen in many things. This is
yes,
required, which means you have to type the answer for that. You cannot skip it. Okay, so if I turn off that, it is people can ignore it. They don't need to add the thing. It will notify here it is a required one. You cannot skip it. That is required field. So next is phone number. So phone number also it should be a input field. So I don't want message. See, for message they have added the field ID as text area. A good space will be given for them to type it. So here I am going to make it as input field because I am going to add a phone number here instead message. Phone number. Just copy, paste it. Got it? See, I have added only three options here. So designing part will be on the bottom. So here you also find this captcha. What is captcha? A quick addition or something will be added. To why they are adding this? Do you people know why they are giving this captcha?
ma'am,
Yes.
AI can be used
What, Pooja?
like AI can be used, ma'am, to hack
Exactly.
us.
It is checking whether you are a human or a not. For when you're a human, you can just calculate and add it. AI, when some people are using AI chatbots, what they do, they are logging to your website and filling the form. It is happening. To avoid that, so this cannot be done by an AI. So that is spam
Ma'am,
protection. Okay. So here you can add the title of this form. Get 10% off. You have to give the strong reason why people should fill the form. If I come to your website, you're giving the contact form, but why should I fill the form? You have to give them the reason to fill the form. So I have given get 10% off. If you fill the form, I'm going to, ready to pay, give a 10% off. And success message. When people click on that submit button, they should get some notification, right? Thanks for filling the form, we will reach you shortly, something like that. Thank you. Write a success message. And what is the submit button? You want to make it as download. For Inspire website we have added the download or click here or submit download. So that is button, submit button. See, download, I have added it, download or redeem offer. Got it? So next is the important thing, we have email here. Click on this email and add your email ID here. Why you are going to add your email ID? When the person fill the form, you will receive a email. So where this data will be stored? When Impa is coming to my website and she is filling the form, I will receive the mail in this mail ID which I am going to add. Got it? Okay. And next is redirect. Enable redirect means when people click on this redeem offer, they will see a success message like thank you or thank you for filling the form. You want them to redirect to any other page, to your shop page or any other page, then you can give the URL here. Redirect URL. For now, I'm making it turn off. Spam protection. If you don't want this basic captcha, spam protection, then you can disable it. That captcha will not be added here. Got it?
ma'am, you have given phone number, right?
Yes.
Uh, For email and all, we have given email field. For the phone number, they can type anything, right?
That is not, yeah, yeah. Input field means they can type anything. Here the email field will be like at the rate dot can be added, but phone number they can type anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can try it, Pooja. So create the form, go to your incognito window and fill the form and check it whether you're receiving the email and what is the data. Fill the form wrongly also, like type the email ID without at symbol and check what is happening. So this is what you have to give. Like background, if you want to change the background color option, that is available under the background designing button. Clear? So now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want you people to work on code and create a contact form. After creating it, save it, go to your incognito window, fill the form and check it. You should receive the email. Then only it's working. Start working on this.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screens. It's working. Okay.
This 2 plus 7 is equal to, that is a
Captcha. Basic captcha. Okay. So hope my screen is visible. So let me add the next module. Contact form was the last one, right? So next one is countdown timer. You would have seen this in many website like Amazon,
end
Flipkart.
of season.
Huh?
Ends the sale.
Year-end sale
Ends
or
in 1 hour.
yeah, and also you would have seen this big billion days.
Yeah.
How many days are there to big billion sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival? So for that, they have a date for from that date you will be having the discount or sale will happen. So before that date, they will be mentioning you, they will be insisting you that we have the sale that is happening on December 25th. For example, Christmas sale is happening on one day on December 25th. You will get some offer, good amount of offer. For example, 50% offer we are going to give you. But this is applicable only on Christmas. On that day, you can make this before that Christmas, 10 days before or 1 week before. You can turn
24
on
hours
the,
sale.
yeah, Puja?
24 hours sale. Yeah.
That can also be added. 24 hours sale. So now let me add it, make it as December 25 is the actual sale. Christmas sale is happening. So how many days? 6 days, 23 hours, 10 minutes, 12 seconds to go. So you can mention the title here. It is a Christmas sale. That's all. So this will be running in your website. So if you want to give any link when people click on this Christmas sale, hope you have. So when you have created a dedicated page for the sale, that sale link has to be given here. So when people click on this Christmas sale, they will be directed to this particular page. No button is required. They can even click on this thing, the countdown timer, and land in a Christmas sale page. Again, if you want to change the background or you want to give any Christmas image as a background, the option is available here. Got it? So this is countdown timer. Next thing is we are going to see the next module, that is divider, the easiest one. A divider means just a line. Can you see the line below this countdown timer? If you want to separate to two things, two different things, on the top you're talking about different thing, and below you want to give any separator, then you can use this line. Got it? A line is a divider. Let me work on the next one. Okay. This email opt-in and filtered portfolio. So this we are not going to see. I will just explain you what is email opt-in and filtered portfolio. Email opt-in means, see, who want to receive your email marketing messages, campaigns. So they will fill the form here. Here you have to give the title, subscribe to our emails. So what is subscribe emails? So when you open your mail, you will get lot of marketing mails. Have you ever noticed it? Do you people click on that and read it? Do you open it at least? You will receive lot of mails. See, I have received lot of mails. Will you open it? Shopify,
No.
Pixabay, YouTube, all these people, SurveyMonkey, they are sending the marketing mails. So this one, when you click on that, you will be able to see on the top. It is a subscribe one or a Unsubscribed one. It is a subscribe. If you see, unsubscribe option is there. When I unsubscribe, hope my screen is visible. Unsubscribe means you will not be able to receive this messages, emails. So that is what mentioned here. So you can give the title, subscribe to our mail, and two lines about the same. So you can give the people will fill their name, first name, last name, and they will add their email ID here and subscribe to your mail. So, for example, Impa is doing a beauty sale or fashion. She is running a fashion boutique. I want to know whether she is providing any offer or not. I'm very curious about the offer. If she is going to provide 40% offer, I'm going to ready to buy it. So when I want that, I will subscribe to your mail. Okay. So frequently you will be sharing the mails with me when you are running any offer. That time I will purchase the product from you. So that is email opt-in. I'm opting in for your mail. That is email opt in. So if you want, you can add it in your website if it is necessary. Next is filtered portfolio. This also it's not necessary for our business. So this may be beneficial for the digital marketing agency or real estate business. What is filtered portfolio? Portfolio means the works which you have done. For example, if it is a digital marketing agency, they should showcase their project which they have done previously. How many website we have done, how many work, social media marketing we have handled. So that can be added under this filtered portfolio. For real estate, how many project they have worked, how many, if they are a builder, how many buildings or apartments we have done. That will be added under this portfolio. For now, we don't require it. Next is gallery. What is gallery? A group of images is called as gallery. So in your product page, you want to showcase all the products you have. Use this module gallery. All the images can be added here. Group of images. For example, what is gallery? In your gallery you have a mobile gallery, phone gallery, right? Now in your phone you will have this gallery. What all the things will be available there? A group of images. For example, I want to showcase all these images. Just download it, add it there. Okay, so let me go back. I have all the images which I have downloaded here. See, you can add n number of images here. Below, I can find the name of that image. So, if you want to turn off that, on the bottom, you have this element. Show title and caption. Disable it. Now, the images will be added here. Gallery means group of images. Clear? Next, we have images. Next to gallery, we have images. Images means a single image can be added. See, images. Gallery means group of images. Images means a single, a large, huge space will be there. You can just add a single image, just like this. Got it? See, for example, so let me add the next model and show you. So gallery we saw images. Images means just the one image will be added. This is login. So what is login is when you want to log into your Amazon, what you will do? Amazon or Flipkart. First, you need the account. So that can be created here. So you can give the title and description here on the bottom, and people will be typing the username and password and click on login. This will not happen just like that. We need to install a plugin. Then only they will be able to create the username, password, and log into your e-commerce website. This is your professional website, right? From here, if they want to go to your e-commerce website, the email ID is required, correct? So for that, you have to create the username, password, and login with this. That is login. Clear? And map here is a paid one. Next to login, you find this map. It is the paid one here. For that, we have the alternative code. So we have copied the HTML code and added it directly. So this you can ignore. Okay, and this one is menu. Menu means all the primary menu or secondary menu. For example, if you want to add this primary menu in between anywhere else, usually it will be at the top, right? Primary menu. So you want to add it anywhere at the bottom. For example, they are scrolling down and you don't want that user to go again to the top. You want to give the primary menu at the bottom. Then you can use this menu module. So select the menu. I have created only one menu. Okay, primary menu was created. So for example, you have primary menu, secondary menu and footer menu. So this you can add it anywhere in your page or in bottom or mid of the page. So you want to create any additional menu rather than this footer menu and all the three menus. You want to create a dedicated menu like any other, like sale menu or any other menu, that can also be created, and that menu can also be added in between. So as I told you already, Christmas sale page will not be available in your primary, secondary or footer menu. If you want to make it as a different menu, then you can give the access here. People can click on Christmas sale in between any of your pages and land in that particular page. So that is menu here. Clear? So I want you to
Ma'am,
practice this. Yes, Pooja.
ma'am, you told about the map, right? It's a paid one. Is it like the Google thing what we will get?
Exactly the same. So you need to add the pin here. See, the page can be loaded. Map, Google Map, exactly the Google Map. But here is a paid one. You need to add the pin and you need something to be done. For this, we have the alternative. You can use the coding.
Yeah, embedding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Practice till this menu. Kindly share your screens.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pooja.
my screen, no, it's not moving. Like I'm not able to scroll down or up. I don't know why.
Even I face the same issue. Just tick mark it, save it, and log in again.
I've saved it.
Yeah, close it and log in again. Close the complete website.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please explain divider.
What happened, Lindsay?
Please explain divider.
Divider is just a line. Line.
Okay, ma'am.
You have not installed Chrome yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Log in from Chrome.
I'm not able to scroll down only.
Even now you are facing the same issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen, Pooja.
1 minute.
This login is not required now.
Login. Login means if people want to log
No,
in.
now it is not required.
Now? You're unable to do it, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Try from your incognito window, Control Shift N.
Ma'am, from the start, whatever was done is not at all visible. Only these three menus are visible. It's like,
You're unable to scroll, correct?
yes, ma'am. Whatever was done at first, no, ma'am. This is the home page only. I've done everything.
Even I
Whatever
faced the
the
same
modules.
issue, Pooja. I was unable to scroll. I used it from the middle itself. I created rows in the middle and I have practiced it. So it might be the technical issue. Or else do one thing, check it from your incognito window once.
I did the same. Sorry, not sure. I tried the separate window what you told, Control Shift N, but it's not working. Even in my mobile, I'm not able to see. Only these three modules I'm able to see.
Click on Enable Visual Builder. So here you have just, even here you are unable to scroll down.
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja, do one thing, practice it in the middle itself. Go to your normal window, enable
Okay, ma'am.
Visual Builder, and you don't need to scroll down. In between, you will find the rows. Create one more row and practice it. Tomorrow we will check.
Sure, ma'am.
It might be a,
Anyhow, I have saved everything, whatever was done. Control is what you have told.
yeah,
I've
Control
saved.
S will save it completely.
Done.
So practice till this will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we will complete all the modules and we will see how to install the template. Any
Okay,
questions
ma'am.
in today's session?
No, ma'am. I'm. Will it be working later on?
Not Pooja?
As it was not scrolling down, no.
Scrolling. Tomorrow we will check it, Pooja.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Simon. Vincent. Bye bye.